was asking, do you remember this creepy picture? But it became with a cartoon land to this. Her name was Val.
Yo, what's up? I'm living with a dog and a TV.
They became the family of all time. Do y'all want to sing and dance or whatever? Yes, seriously. Let's sing.